Hello, welcome again to our unboxing review, and today we are going to introduce our new product, Sport Action Camera H3R. So looking at the package, it doesn't make very much difference from other models, but here we notice label with remote control, 2.4G remote control. The model number H3R. The R actually means it comes with a remote control. So that's now we are going to open the box and see what the contents inside. So almost the same as other models, and here's a black color. So it comes with the waterproof housing, and a bunch of accessories, and one remote controller more for taking videos and pictures. Take a close look and what's the difference. As you continue to see what's inside, and it's a bunch of accessories for the mount, different mounts for placing on different places, such as your bicycle, your helmet, and skateboarding. This is a European charger. Of course, it can come, I believe, with other types of chargers for different countries. So here's some brackets for holding the camera, which allows for better sound experience. Okay. And also this is a backdoor replacement for diving and some underwater on-water spots. The straps, USB cable, mount, and strings, different straps also. Mount with the glue you to paste on certain objects, such as the skateboard. So they use the menu inside. So it's can be a very nice new camera that compete with leading brands in the market, and of course it comes with pretty competitive price.